Hi everyone, today I want to show you practice and examination of the control drone. Part 1. Training process of the control drone. Training vision part 1. Basic operation of the control drone. Rope controller mode. Operation: keeping the drone as horse forward. Multiplace the remote controller to fly, the drone to walk. As regulator, practice the controller of the forward, backward, left and right. And then direction of the aircraft, direction of the fly routes. Operation 1. Surrounding the drone. Rotate in the clockwise and counterclockwise. 2. Fly to the four direction from the control point as the alarm indicator. At the same time, indicator or lower the height skillful. So operation: fly in steering line and then move for 5 in horizontal level with keeping the fly ropes, steering and the height stable. 2. Basic operation of the control drone. Obstacle avoidance flight. Purpose through operation M and M are conical barrier. The student should fly back and forth in the convert route as indication while avoiding the obstacle. B. Familiar with direction controller and obstacle avoidance with the assist of FPV. The step above should be learned at last 2 have to be skillful. 3. Take off and landing training of the control drone. Operation 1. Prepare 1 and 2 amps or 1.2 amp for MG 1P or T20 and then T10 or 1 and 4 amp. For A to F. 2. Repeat the fly between A and F, keeping the back side of the drone facing the pillars. Set the limit time of the flight and calculate the landing accuracy. Be familiar with the landing skill to deal with complicated terrain environment in real operation. 5. Work with the control drone A to B route operation modes. Operation: set the road direction right or left in A, B roads. Operation mode: interface simulate the real screen scenario set as in the dropping operation. Avoiding obstacle and restarting the operation. Operation: set A and B point with the assist of FPV cameras. 6. Work with the control drone road operation modes. Operation mode: use the remote controller to plan the fly routes and set the parameters accurately and obstacle avoidance plan to simulate the real scenarios. Operation: use the aircraft to plan the fly routes with the assistance of FPV. Choose flight practice process of the pre-capture drone training lesson part 2. Practice assessment of the pre-capture drone. 2-and-1 assessment examination of operation projects. First design preparation assessment 15 points. Preparation work before operation 15 points. Fly routes operation assessment 20 points. Menu operation assessment 20 points. Take-off and landing assessment 30 points. 2-and-2 set equipment of the practice assessment. People the plus where the test, the training and inspector should stand. As take-off and landing area for the MG1P and T10 and T20 1 or 1.2 m and 1.2 m. For T30 or visual 1.4 m and 1.4 m. F. Take-off and landing area for the MG1P and T10 or T20 1.2 m and 1.2 m. For T30 or visual 1.4 m and 1.4 m. A, B, C, D corner point of the assessment area 50 and 5 m point and obstacles. The direction between people and A and F is 6 m. First design preparation assessment 15 points. Trainers 1. No use of heights to per design 3 points. 2. Wear protective mask and gloves and stand in upwards direction 3 points. 3. Herbicides cannot use the same spray tank with the tapes of the past design 3 points. 4. When the preparing the per design, the operators should adapt secondaries delusion mid-short. Please watch the video of secondaries delusion mid-hold for per design preparation 6 points. The training slot operate wheels. Speaking out the point about your course, use 3 spell bottle with water, make ABCs. Contrast pocket and awards to simulate the secondary description steps. 1 or 2. Preparation work before operation 15 points. 1. Remote controller check the power antenna screen interface and remote controller mode 5 points. 2. The aircraft check focus, propeller, battery and light and LED lights color is 5 points. 3. Tap display button 1 or 2 seconds. The exhaust the air in the speaker before topping off 2 points. The drainer should operate while speaking out the point above. One point 3. Fly road operation assessment 20 points. 1. Road recall, edit and reflection offsets. Be able to choose fly roads, mission, planets, already. Enter edit the window to set edit and can do reset flying offset. If edit 10 points. 2. Set the parameters. Be unable to set high speed, dingle, line, spacing and so on 10 points. The training short operation will speaking at the point about the terrain. The trainer can plan the fields ahead, only need to finish 1.2 rows after talking of the grass. Menu operation assessment part 1 20 points. Operation 1. Click the drone at A points. 2. Fly the drone A to M, avoiding the obstacle and then fly to B. 3. Fly the drone from B to C, not changing the drone heading direction. 4. Fly the drone from C to N, avoiding the obstacle and then fly to D. 5. Fly the drone from D to N, avoiding the obstacle and then fly to C. 5. Fly the drone from D to N, avoiding the obstacle and then fly to C. 6. Fly the drone from C to B, not changing the drone head direction. 7. Fly from B to M, avoiding the obstacle and then fly to A. 8. Learn on the A. Menu operation assessment part 2 20 points. Rating the great terror. 1. Fly road 1 point, cannot fly steering 2.3 point, not bad 4 points. Will fishing. 2. Speed 1 point, unable speed 1 to 3 point, course stable 4 point, very stable. 3. Height 1 point, unstable or high 2.3 point, force stable 4 point, very stable. 4. Stop accordingly and roll 1 point, boards operation 2.3 point, not bad 4 point, wheel fishing. 5. Avoiding obstacles smoothly 1 point. Best operation 2.3 point, not bad 5 point is wheel fishing. Five. Take off and learning assessment part 1 30 points. Operation 1. Fly the ropes should be out of the line between A and F as indicated in the pictures. 2. Timing when the drone take off from A and stop timing when it land on A. 8. Take off F land and take off A land and take off F land and take off A lands. 3. The trainer should face the backside of the drone when the drone is landing. 4. The drone can take off on its land successfully, keeping the propeller working. Take off and landing assessment part 2 30 points. Rating criteria: 10. Duration 15 seconds or 30, 51 seconds or 65 seconds or 25, 66 seconds, 80 seconds or 15, 81 and more tenths. Quality of the operation: 8. If fall down intervals, landing, touching binary line, sliding, landing, cut to point off. B. Each one line, gear is off a boundary line, cut 5 point off. C. If to landing, the gears are out of binary line, can cut 5 point off and relanding. Yes, thank you. Today is finished. So the practice and examination of agricultural drone finished. Thank you.